Hello, today I'm going to show you the lane keep assist system and the lane departure warning system of your Mazda CX-5. To enable it or disable, you can use the LAS off button. If you push the off button, it will be offline. But this is not good. But if it is online, then you will get information if you are leaving your line. Here you can see on the left side, it is an information. The LAS and LDWS alerts the driver that the vehicle may be dividing from its lane, and it provides steering assistance to help the driver stay within the vehicle's lane. The forward sensoring cam detects the white lines, or yellow lines in America, of the vehicle lane in which the vehicle is traveling, and if the system determines that the vehicle may deviate from its lane, it operates electric power steering to assist the driver's steering operation. The system also alerts the driver by activating a lane departure's warning sound, vibrating the steering wheel and indicating an alert in the display. Wow, this is an awesome thing, and it will steers for you, but you have to keep holding your steering wheel, of course. It gives you information if you're leaving the center line, for example, and you can feel vibration and hear a sound. Then go back on the street, on the line, to prevent from accident. It's really important to have yourself have to control your car by yourself. Of course, it is only a helping program. You can see the steering wheel is automatically steering by itself. This is awesome, I think. This is the future of driving. But you also can see I have to support a little bit, and that means you do not have to relax and chill on the backside of your car. No, you have to stay alert and check what's going on in front of your car. The LAS system operates if you enable this. If it is disabled, it will not operate, so have a look of it. If you have a white line, that detection only on either left or right side, and if you have a green light in the heads-up display, then it detects on both left and right sides. This gives you information about the status of the lane keep assist. If you remove your hands from your steering wheel, there comes an information. At the active driving display, windscreen type, please hold the steering wheel. Here it comes. We have to get back. Whoa. That's not good. Hold your steering wheel by your hands. If you have an auto flip-up type, hold the steering wheel will center or give you information about this. The vehicle line display, wherein the LAS and LDWS becomes operation while on standby. The vehicle lines are displayed in the multi-information display and the active driving display. In the vehicle lines display indicating the operation status. The color of the vehicle lines being detected changed to white, standby status. And of course, in operation mode, it is not white. It is I think it's full. No? If you have it's not operating, you have only lines there, and if it's operating, you have full painted lines. It's really in standby status or in operation status. You have auto canceling. The auto cancel will go on if the temperature inside the cam is too high, the window screen around the camera is foggy, the windscreen around the camera is blocking by an obstacle. So take care of yourself. And the LAS and LDWS is on, if you can see it. You can program it how sensitive it will be. for this, you have to go into your computer system under setup, security, or car security, car driving, etc. And there's a rumble sound. It's a reproduction of the sound which occurs when a vehicle passes over a rumble strip. This is the same. This is your information that you are leaving the lane leaving a fifth. So if you go to safety, there is the lane keep assist system, and here you can program how often the system will help you. You can make it to a late function. That means you will fly way faster, or an early function. Better is the early function, because the steering wheel will steer automatically if you use the early function. That means you can go and have more support than the late function. That it is how to use the lane keep assist system, LAS, and the lane departure warning system, LDWS. It's really awesome to say that is the future in automotive way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.